Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save money in YNAB. This is an app you could use to budget your money and start saving like a lot more money. So how do you use this app? Well, basically you see the three lines at the top with the pencil. You're gonna want to press that, and here you could basically like edit like what you want to spend your money on. Like let's say you're making like $1,000 a month, right? And your target for, like, let's say you want a PS5 right here, like you're gonna want to need the amount for the PS5 is like $500 USD, I'm pretty sure, and you want just have a balance of $500, and let's say you need this by like July. All right. You see here, you're gonna need $166 per week. You're gonna need to save $166 per week to get your PS5 by July. Okay, and that's basically like the gist of it. You could also track your transactions and stuff if you assign your bank account. Like if you link your bank account to this app, and let me show you how you do that. You press add another account, and right here you could press you could type in the bank you want your account to link from, or you could add an unlinked account and just put in all this information and stuff. And once you do that, you could assign the money in your bank to something. Let's say I assigned $2 to my PS5 that I wanted. Okay, and see, okay, wait, I meant $2. Yeah. Okay. So I finished assigning it, and now I have $2 out of $166 more dollars I needed this month to get the PS5. And yeah, it basically works like that. Once you do that, all this other stuff locks up: the transactions, the reflect accounts. You could check your accounts. Yeah. And you can also manage your connections. You can remove or add some more if you need to. You could add trends. Let's say you spend like $20 on food. You gotta read food. Groceries, food. Oh wait, new needs. So food is a necessary. Let's say you spend $20 on like fast food. You could like save it, and it'll tell you how much you have left in your account. Okay, and yeah, that's basically the gist of it. So if I'm gonna make more videos on this app, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.